Hey guys, do you want to know how to earn an extra income freelancing, or do you want to find out how to absolutely crush it? In this video guys, I'm going to show you how I've managed to earn a substantial income freelancing, and I've actually crushed it. I've made thousands of dollars by freelancing, and there's no reason if you don't follow what I tell you in this video you cannot do the same. And I'm also going to give you as a bonus towards the end a super powerful tactic that you can use to make sure that you get as much business as a freelancer, as a writer, as you could ever handle. So hang on to the end to see that. So first of all, let's dive in and get started. So as you build your business as a freelancer, you'll come across all kinds of potential clients. Some who want to pay peanuts for your work, and others who pay very, very well indeed. Now, the thing is, when you land a client who sets reasonable deadlines, appreciates your work, and pays well, you need to hold on to them. Now, how do you do that? So this kind of client makes it easy to earn an extra income, but they're also the key to crushing it with freelancing. So when you get a client, make sure they want to use your services for the long term by showing them they can't live without your services, and do everything you can to become an invaluable part of the team. This is how I've succeeded with freelancing, become an invaluable part of the team that they can't do without. Now, let me give you my super powerful bonus tactic to generate as much business as you could ever need as a freelancer. And it's simply this: be proactive. Again, this is on the theme of becoming a valuable part of your client's team. You see too many freelancers settle into a comfort zone with clients, and they're happy to sit back and take the work that their clients dish out. Now, don't be that freelancer. Always be looking for new opportunities. Pitch your good clients with new ideas, and always be thinking how you can improve on your already excellent relationship and add even more value. This is really important. Be proactive. Go to the client with ideas. Don't just sit back and take what they dish out. I've made a lot of extra money by doing this, thousands of dollars a month, just by looking at my existing clients and seeing what I can do to add more value to their business. And they will appreciate it, because they are busy people and they may not have the time to sit down and think of these things. So take it to them and you'll be surprised the extra work you can land. So tell me, what would you do to make sure a client appreciates you and gives you plenty of work for the long time to come? Comment below. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed that. Now, of all the information I'm sharing with you guys, this stuff here in this video is really, really important. I saw a survey once that said, most companies could get an extra 25% business just by concentrating on their existing clients rather than looking for new clients all the time. So that's something to really get your head around, become an invaluable part of your client's team, and there's probably as much business as you could ever handle. Now, if you enjoyed this video, and I hope you did, you might want to like and leave a comment, and also subscribe, hit the old bell notification so that when I make the next video in the series, I can send it to you and give you the help and advice you need. Okay guys, so most copywriters and freelancers who are just getting started recognize the fact, to save months and maybe years of time, they need to get themselves a decent course. So in the next video, I'll be looking in a little bit of detail at what to look for in a course and give you some pointers and tips as how to choose the best course for your particular needs. So tune in then, and that's it for this video, and talk to you soon. Ciao for now. Bye-bye.